In this video, let's have an overview to show how one can use time tracking in Wrike. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. In the time tracking view, one just needs to select the 3 dots of the list, and then select the task from the option given below. A new space will open for the live editor video, which is very easy to keep track of how much time your teammate or the user has spent on the task. Now, just play the hit button on the timer in the task view. Once the timer is on, it will continue running until the user does not pause it or begin tracking time for another task. The timer continues to run on, even if the browser window is closed. One can also add the time entry manually by clicking on the time entry given. Let's assume the user has worked for 5 hours and 30 minutes. In the given blank, set the time as 5:30 and put the entry for date. One can also add up the back entry and select the category. Let's say if the user is working with the coding, so one can put the comment whatever one wants to, and add entry. So, here one can work with the manually entry, and all the entry comments are shared in the activity streams. One can see all the time entries in the time log view. Just select the drop-down arrow, and select the time log. The details like the task name, assignee name, date, time spent on a particular task, project or folder and category can be seen. One can also customize the comments. One can hide the details by clicking on the icon beside the task name, and can customize their report. On top, one can work with filters to check how much work has been done for today or in a month or in a week. Anything can be filtered out. One can review the time entry regularly by creating a time log report for reporting. For that, just click on the left bar of the dashboard and click on Tool. Then select the report and subscribe to it just like any other report. One can from the options provided. Here, let's choose time spent this week, and then select the project. Now, select the user if one wants to, and finally click on Create. Here the report will be shown on the dashboard. One can also subscribe easily by clicking the subscribe button on the top right bar, and receive updates of versions straight to their inbox. The particular time and day can also be selected and subscribed. Contact Software Horsepower for free demo and best offers. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.